the way to go home. Ang fresh po ng hangin. You see, Habibi, the air here is very fresh. This is where we pass by in the morning. See the rice? Alisin mo nga nini Chong. Kasi ito yung alisin mo na kasi si Kuya may nadudulas. Habibi, lift up your foot so that she can take out this. Taas. Lift up your foot eh. Ayan.
Okay.
Ay, is better. Sabihin niya hindi. Ayan na ang basura. Oh, ang daming basura ay sarado. Hindi